Anar malakan yam kana diala kontin barwani lingwas me kanwa TV. Biya kamal. Bana jome bana jaling raj mishala ta kume SPLA ayu. Lieutenant General Peter Thok Chuol tega jome kwen me bana linga jan lera me. Kan konon yame jirame jadit ka Nuer TV channel gore jen go jinder subscribe kadi notification bell dite jatwine ko me teka ler michi berej da shwa mala shubugaji kwa Sudan Empire berej. Anda mandu ne chang kos nyang malaya nung roi ne gwasa me bana job me bana jelinkel do badan inshallah ki men inshallah kume SPLA yo chala do ne na Ramadan ala kuertama ke chief of general staff ka kume SPLA yo Lieutenant General Peter Thok Chuol awajen te ka warga misha gor gwasa me ke statement misha mek chaja gwaru de chal ke ala chairman ka National Unity chairman General Kolmanyang te ka roj mi chalat ke chang jan dangro de kel ka pai baro ron kin dangro jan dangro de diech ke kui phase 2 ke ka kui transitional security arrangement do badat en de na de ka ganga je ngai kon la transitional security arrangement do be dan de de ka ganga je shet ken de shal ke united ke men la shal integration of forces ke unified force de ka mat gwaskel kan wenamo de mal de je kula gor chan je milling kel gwasame ka jodan en chalat point en acting chief of general staff shela do nene the acting chief of general staff of SPLA Lieutenant General Peter Thok Chuol has read the recent statement made by the NTC chairman General Kolmanyang on 21st July 2025 about the starting phase 2 of the transitional security arrangement. The SPLA want to make it clear that the security arrangement has not moved forward because of serious violence and crime committed by the SSPDF and Uganda fighter against SPLA forces and civilians. It is said that the SSPDF choose to support a political party, SPLMIG, instead of serving the country. This talk about starting phase 2 is not honest. It may just be a way for some people to get money for themselves. Jaw chikalat gwasa me karaja dana chalat kume kirme yadit eno de phase 2 ka kwi security ga de jetok kume SPLA wonene kenemen chalat jenwudendan en chalka Gerald Kolmanyang ju ka chanyan dang ru kel ka pai baro to kontine kene chi tok kene ken chaka denget tele phase 2 media talk ka tele kume SPLA tele jeten manyo de gwano kume SPLA ka jen gwasa me chete gwa kel chere mangai konno ken chaka joj chaka we gwen ken de kenten ka ngai konno cha civilian ba chaka lo joj civilian kan de kon la nuare de kon chujek antama ka penal kurdan na kon ka fangak korje konnak ka nasser korje konnak ka ulang korje konnak ka longashuk wone ke unit state kan god dialati ka god te kuma SPLA teketen ngai kontin dialan kon latke ku kana lana wona en kuma SPLA ka jodan chikalat gwasame eno alane men chalat ngo te ka phase 2 media talk ki do baroda ka do gang ka transitional security arrangement kana she chuong ko kan de ne dialten content cha joj rar tele gwan me bika ben ka je kan gwasme ka tele peace mishane implement rewi ka South Sudan ngoda ba kan Dr. Machar kano konluñ adong de na kula right ka kwiko de security arrangement de je latre rewi ka South Sudan. Chief of General Staff SPLA Lieutenant General Peter Thok Chuol waram kel mila raj mugwala jala de mite ka mongong na chit ka ite ka phase 2 mlat ke ken na mo chi tok na moni keni kach keni tel rambi ngat ko kum SPLA ji ke kum kirma yadit chicken choose no biken na biken connect ko jendan latke SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force let kana ka Western Equatoria, Central Equatoria, Eastern Equatoria ka let kana baka panal ka jongle ka Unity State alo kan chicken mal chicken gorno te mal medeten chicken jomo chicken kwene no kan shine lok tele mishal ke take face to me balat menemi cha dub dial cha ga kon lat ko ngai kon dupin kon lat ke kwi malka do be ne me shalat awanene wagur ga jeno kan force ne dial de ke integrate ke de ka mat gwaskel mi mo ci kirma yadi ci ngodo mo ci jetol ajene dane lep ke longno de jelalet pat ken kir kan jelalet so ko kuje montame ci kuma SPLA yo jelado wonene tele mishal ke te face 2 mlatke ko ne me wa duop wo be tekane to biyo be ken ka jek ko mishala no te ke face 2 mlep ke me ba to kan tame bi international community biga yo bikan kangun bika kuma South Sudan bikan kalwak ke ba bedjen midit baje kamrar and then you to ba dini ba ko ke kuma kirma yadi de kana mone che Thok misala do take phase 2 mi latken teme kana na mo erong kana shine look amandan en chalat chana jome chan jemiling mandan chikan lat gwasamene. Because of this, the SPLA fully reject the so-called phase 2 of the security plan. We will not accept it while our leader, His Excellency, the first Vice President, Dr. Riek Machar Durgun, the first Vice President and Commander-in-Chief of the SPLA, Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam, and others SPLA leaders that are still held without reason in prison. Unless if they are released, that is when we can negotiate. These people must be freed first so that real talk can happen between the two sides. Kajo chikan lat gwasame mu kon lelinga. Kanema kan bondang raw ki kwar content cha yen ka kuma SPLA. Dr. Riek Machar, His Excellency Dr. Riek Machar makana konluny ko jara madan la commander in chief. Nyoko kan Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam makana konluny. Makan pot kan kana konluny. Many hundreds of people to cha yen kirma yadit. Kanema kan ka konluny tel Michel Kemal. Mal ba jalat nimisha ne dialati sha konluny. Jawo dan lat kene. Makan ka konluny tel Michel Kemal rewe ka South Sudan. Jen lat kuma SPLA ayo jamon wo ne dialati baga konluny bunakula negotiate ke bakula no te kamal me balat. Also, SPLA has seen that the recent change made by the deputy chairman of the SPLA to their members in CITESAM have not yet been accepted or implemented by the CITESAM leadership. This shows they are not being fair, and the SPLA will not ignore this. The acting chief of SPLA is now asking CITESAM to stay neutral and carry out this redeployment quickly. If they do not, they will not be allowed to enter SPLA control areas. Jawo chikan lat gwasame CITESAM kanere kontel take security ke kwa ngwana kwa kalat eno wona hadi rei malka mana latke chije SPLA je kullar nena ko ci CITESAM tama cikante ko matkan ke kuma kirma yadi da shika neutral ko CITESAM kan cikan SPLA cikan bi support ke cika kuma kirma yadi cikan bi support duno ko cika kuma SPLA kuma kirma yadi ko kana support je SPLA nena kana cine gorno bika ben gwada dan te de ni ko tigaten mo wa dor waje tok citka tama la control area stin kon hante kuma SPLA ten kana cikan bi benten. Finally, the SPLA force commander tell all SPLA force to ignore this call for phase 2 by the NTC and stay alert until they receive new order. The struggle continues. Ramagorwar game Colonel Lam Paul Gabriel, SPLA spokesperson General Headquarters. Jowo chikalat gwasame chimpai konelinga. Kene jo kende ni kendi alano chwara jowo me iteke phase 2 mi batu ka kwi security ka chwara jelin ka kuma kirma yadit. Akan ne ti ku kan mislina na chikan goro take peace agreement me balat kon 2018 peace agreement cha collapse ke chikan abandon chikan jo malaran tamen go sha ka bu gor ken en mandana chalat anetin kon tila kuma kirma yadit ka jo dan chikan lat na mane janda na gode nywa yekel larame ki warga sha gor kuma SPLA ka gor kwerdan en cha kwan ki acting chief of general staff dunga SPLA Lieutenant General Peter Thok Chuol ka jona ni sialen gwasme kenemen cha gor warga cha gor general kolmanyang ka chanya ndangro kel ka pay baro ron kin dangro jandangro de generation jack tel mishit kanamo chabe men togono take phase 2 mi balat ka kwi security ka la transitional security arrangement ko kan kwarka kono konluñ ba Dr. Machar baje kolluñ ba pot kan luñ no mena kwadi ala content cha ye ne chop ke kurte witin content tere te jere wi ka juba kan ba ka konluñ ba peace talk baje kula tok ajen jodana gorde nywa ye kel and mandu ni chen kon nyak biata mal bye bye.